Hello guys, welcome to our International Boston Seafood Show event.
And our customers from all around the world also join these events. People know more about the Jack and King brand and also can be benefit from our ready meals for them business. That's what I want.
How do you like it?
It's really, really good.
It's good. You like it? The ready meal, you know.
Oh, I think the concept is that that's the future in the United States. There's more and more ready meals.
Yeah, because for the faster lifestyles,
yeah,
right?
That's right.
That was really good.
Really good? You like it?
It's very crispy.
Yes, yes. So this product is from our company, Jack and King's Ready Meals. Yeah, and our company that's only do all the things that's ready meals.
They're awesome. They're quick and easy. Instead of making your own food, it's quick and easy.
You want to try something?
I would love to. This is delicious. They smell really good
this
too.
is brown sugar rice cake. How often do you eat a ready meal?
Oh, I do pretty often. It's very convenient. I have 2 children. It's very convenient.
Or until you get enough.
Yes,
Yeah,
I will. I'll be getting more. I want to have some of the dumplings.
The fish is really nice. The sauce is also really good. I like the texture of the fish.
Right.
Yeah, and the sauce complements it well. Like something very convenient. You just throw it on the microwave, and then a few minutes it comes out, and then you eat it.
I assume you will like it.
It's really good.
Okay.
It's like really refreshing.
March 12-14, 2023 Boston Seafood Show. Jack and King's booth number 1321.